Under the Gems tab, click on Gems Creator, select around 0.4 carat diamond and click on the plus button to add it. Click on the Accept button in the top right corner. Click on the bottom right corner of the viewport and select the Shaded Display mode. Now, select the diamond and under the Stone Settings tab, click on the halo icon, then click on the pencil button. Click on the Gem tab and change its gem size to 1.3 mm, the minimum distance to 0.1 mm, the vertical to 0 mm, the bright cut to 0.1, the inner height to 0.7, and the inner width to 1.2. In prong settings, select the second option, the gem inside to 0.15 mm and the prong height to 0.7 mm. Select the round shape and set the width and height to 0.9 mm. Click on the Main Gem Prongs tab. Click on the third option, for rotated prongs, change the mode to circle and the gem inside to 0.5 mm. Click on the Metal tab. Change the width to 2.3 mm, the height to 1.5 mm, the distance to the gem to 0.1 mm, the Z position to 0, and the rotation to 15 degrees. Click on the Confirm Changes button in the top right corner. Select the diamond and the halo gem setting, double-click on the green arrow, and type -6 mm, press Enter. Double-click on the blue arrow and type 1.4 mm, press Enter. Under Components, click on the Bale icon, click on the Pencil button, click on the Profile Preview, and in the Asset Selector dialog, select Organization and select 005. Change the width to 4 mm and the height to 1.5 mm. Click on the bottom Profile tab, click on the Profile Preview, and in the Asset Selector dialog, select Organization and select 005. Change the width to 1.8 mm and the height to 1 mm. In the air gap, change the bottom diameter to 0.6 mm and the internal distance to 5 mm. Change the starting on top to 30%, starting on the bottom to 25%, and curve isolation to 40%. In Advanced Parameters, enable O-ring and change the thickness to 1 mm, the diameter to 1.5, and the overlapping distance to 1 mm. Now click on the Confirm Changes button. Let's create a beautiful photo. To see the Render and Animation tab, go to Settings and activate it. Click Render and Animation. And under the Gem Materials, select the main gem and click on the ruby material. Select the halo gems, click on the diamond material. Select the metal elements, and under the Material section, in the Metal category, click on the white gold 18K material. Under the Ground category, click on Basic Ground. Hover your mouse over to the right bottom corner of your viewport and click on the Ray Traced icon. Set the perspective angle and distance you want your render to be. Finally, set your preferred resolution and quality parameters, and click on the Render button. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can find more information at twoshapes.com.